Okay, we have another stop. Here it says, do not feed the nenes. It's the Hawaiian goose. Nene territory. Now here's another hike with another Hawaiian name, so let's go find out what that name is of this hike. Okay, well this is called the Pauahi Parking Trail. And here it says you are standing at the edge of devastation. For 5 weeks in late 1959, towering lava fountains blasted from the Pauahi Crater. So here's the trail. We're not going to take this one, so you can check that devastation out. And then there's another trail over here. And here we have a, oh my God. Holy crap. Wow. Oh. Unbelievable. A lava bed, and that trail evidently goes down where you can walk on the lava bed. Because there they are. Well, here is the devastation from up top. Wow. Check out this, looks like fresh lava, but it was a July 1974 lava flow. Here's an out of the car shot of this lava, and there is the volcano, steam coming out of the volcano. Okay, let's go check out the Pauahi Crater. Holy moly. Check this crater out. Wow. Massive. I'm sure there's probably a few bigger than this. Here's another crater. Pauahi Crater. We'll keep going, but I wanted to show you that name. Here we have another lava flow. This one was from May of 1973. And over here we have the across the street we have the Pauahi Crater. And you can see it from here. There's the walls of the crater. Here's another lava flow from November of 1979. And look at the little lava caves you'll see. There's probably huge caves created by these lava flows once they harden. Up next, the Pauahi Crater. Just a short walk and here it is. Another huge one. Here, oh my God, this is a major lava flow. It's the Mauna o Mauna Ulu. Wow, look at this. We're on a bed, we're in a sea of lava everywhere.
1969 to 1974 lava flow.
It looks like melted black chocolate. All right, we've been driving on a bed of lava for a mile or two, and here we have a lookout called Muliwai Apele. And here's an out-of-the-car shot. Wow. I'm actually walking on the lava now. Oh, unbelievable. And here's our lookout. Here it says Mauna Ulu. On May 24th, 1969, a series of lava fountains erupted from a fissure which extended roughly from Aloi to Pauahi craters. The fountains soon concentrated between the two craters. And there is the ocean. What a view. I don't know if you can see it from this camera, but there's the ocean.